Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to another video. Gladys here. Welcome back to Gladys Tibele, living clutter free. I'm super excited to have you guys back for another video. Today I'm literally showing you guys the mess that I was having in my house, because today is a special day. We are going to decorate downstairs for Christmas. Guys, you do not want to miss this. Stay all the way through to the end. Today we are switching our curtains. We are removing the rugs. We're putting new rugs in, and hubby is helping me throughout it all. So I wanted to take you guys into this video. Let's go. My chairs right there, and clean this whole hallway. So I'm so excited. I'm trying to see where the tree is gonna go. If I'm gonna put the small trees right here, if I'm gonna put my big tree right here, but I have so much in mind. As I mentioned, we are switching the rug, we are switching the curtains. It's the holiday season, guys. We are sprucing up the house. So hubby helped me to bring in the rug, which is a simple rug. It's a 10 by 12, and I love the simplicity of that rug. I pray it stays clean. I told you guys in the beginning of the video that we are switching the curtains. You are going to love me for this. Many of you guys in previous video asked me, Gladys, where can I get custom curtains? Where can I get curtains that, go with the style of my house? Well, today's sponsor is Mrs. Awesome. Mrs. Awesome is actually a wonderful curtain company that allows you to customize the curtains that you want in your house. And they reached out to me to sponsor this video for you guys today, and I know you're going to love it. When it comes to designing a room, guys, you know that it can be very expensive, especially when it comes to custom curtains. Guys, these are custom curtains. You can choose your color, you can choose your pleats, you can choose, the width, the length. It's not just a pre-bought curtain that when it comes to your house, you're like, darn it, it is too long. No, these are there are customs, and also they're not only reaching out to me to bring you guys this curtain, they're giving my viewers and my people 12% off your purchase. Guys, you heard that correctly. You can literally get your curtains customized, not only in the affordability of the price, but also 12%. Now, you guys know when it comes to doing curtains, or when it comes to putting up mirrors and things like that, I am not able to do it on my own. I call my brother-in-law, who helps me out for all my interior decorating and design things. So he's going to go ahead and remove what you guys saw here previously, not only the curtains in the living room, but also going out to the backyard. So he's going to go ahead and remove that, and we are going to put oh my God, I fell in love with it. Now let's get into all the details, okay? When you make anything customized, it takes time, but not in this case. Mrs. Awesome was able to send me this package in less than a week, guys. Before you can even order your curtains, you can go to their website, which I will leave all the details down below for you guys, and you can choose some swatches which are free of charge. They come to you literally in few days. You can choose the swatches that you want, send them back, send the colors to them via email, and then they're literally able to customize everything for you. So this is exactly how it came packaged so well, and I love the detail. I'm just coming close to you guys to show you guys exactly how everything is. You can literally see the smile on my face. I was so excited to get these curtains up. So not only do they give you the curtains, they actually help you out by bringing the clips that come for you to be able to hang the curtains. And I'm going here and opening to show you guys literally how it looks like. Everything was filled in, and this is very convenient, especially for someone who is busy, who doesn't have time to go ahead and purchase clips here. But in this case, I already had ordered some clips from Amazon because I was so excited for the package to come. But I just wanted to show you that Mrs. Awesome does actually send you their own clips. But I purchased these clips middle here from Amazon, which I will leave everything linked below for you guys, that I'm going to use it and hook it through the curtains, and we are going to bring it up. Let's do it. So today we're not just installing the curtains, we are also putting my picture light on, and I love the simplicity of this. It brought so much warmth. There was a friend of mine who came into the house and she goes, "Oh, it's so cozy in here," and I'm like, yes, thank you. That's exactly what I was going for. As you can see, I was showing you guys how you can change the ambience on the light, and I loved it. But guys, look at these curtains. This same friend again told me, "Oh, this is so beautiful." My husband and I, after we finished installing, we just sat on the couch and just relaxed, surrounded by all the Christmas lights, surrounded by all the beautiful red, and just that warm nostalgia, look. And the curtain was literally the cherry on the top, and I just loved it so very much. As I mentioned, guys, I have a 12% off discount for you guys. Yes, 12% off in the description below, and I'm gonna leave all that detail for you guys. I posted a little short story on my Instagram, and you guys will obsess asking where the curtain was from. And guys, I will leave all that information for you guys again, but I just literally wanted to show you guys how in the morning, look how the light was coming in, even though it is double-sided, but the light was still able to come in, but you cannot see through, you cannot see out of it. I just love how the curtain literally brought my home from just, the simple that it was to just this luxurious feeling, and it's all the way throughout, and I love it so very much. Guys, you get to thank me later. Leave the comment below. Leave all your comment down below and let me know, if you got it, what color did you get. Take some pictures and send it over Instagram, which I will leave all that information down below also for you guys. But I'm coming close to show you guys the details. This is what you call customization. It's the width, the length, everything is perfect to your house. You don't have to buy something that is already pre-made in the package, and I know you're going to love it. But this brought this Christmas festival season all the way for me. Stay tuned, guys, all the way to the end to keep watching my videos, because the whole house tour for the whole downstairs, upstairs, kitchen, everything is coming, and I know you guys are going to love it. Don't forget, we don't just decorate here, we keep it very simple and minimalist, and this is what I love showing you guys. Just I just love how everything turned out this year. Is actually one of my favorite. I know I always say that, but I think this is actually one of my favorite decoration done so far. I am not done decorating, but this is what it is so far. So stay tuned to see how I decorate the whole house. Guys, we are still not done decorating the house, so definitely stay tuned for more videos coming your way. When we are going to tour the whole house, you're going to see everything else. The couch is not yet being spruced out. The mirrors and the wall art on the wall over there where I put the picture light has not yet been decorated. Everything is going to get that warm and cozy feeling. I am the one hosting for Christmas this year, so I truly want to spruce up the place. The kids are getting a hot chocolate section in the kitchen because I want people to feel that warmth and coziness of the season. So yes, definitely stay tuned, and do not forget the link will be down below for Mrs. Awesome, our sponsor on today's video. And I know you're going to love to have your own curtain, customized curtain that are very affordable, because you don't want to just buy anything just to buy it. As I mentioned, you want that to feel the feeling of your home and your design. So yeah, definitely stay tuned. God bless you guys. See you guys until the next video. Bye bye, y'all.